Well, 7 is on your side now with a consumer alert. Honda has been hit with the largest fine issued by the government agency that oversees your safety behind the wheel.
The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration hit the automaker with $70 million in penalties after discovering the company failed to report hundreds of problems. 7 on your side investigator Josie Sturman is at the live desk now with the scope of what the company didn't tell the feds. Josie?
Well, Leon, it was a lot. NHTSA says Honda did not report more than 1,700 incidents where it was aware of someone being hurt or killed over the last 11 years. And now the company is going to pay the price for keeping that a secret. And now this all has to do with what's called early warning reports. They detail actual or potential safety problems with cars that car makers know about. They're required to submit them, and then NHTSA uses those reports to decide about things like recalls. Now, in this case, the agency claims Honda didn't supply 1,729 of those reports that include injuries and deaths. At this point, the agency doesn't even know the breakdown of how many in that total were killed because they're still going through the data, they told us today on a teleconference. Now, the punishment for that and other problems the agency found with Honda's operation are two $35 million fines. That is the maximum in fines that NHTSA can hand out.
We're talking about 11 years. 11 years of information we did not have, and it is egregious, and as a result of that, the penalties reflect that.
And this is all about your safety. There could have been a recall, but NHTSA doesn't even know if one was necessary because of what was in all of that data. Now, Honda has agreed to pay the fine. They blamed underreporting on inadvertent data entry or even computer errors. But the big question asked today was how NHTSA was not aware of a failure to report so many of these incidents over the course of a decade. The main reason we learned today the agency is incredibly short on staff. Just 4 to 6 people work in its defect investigations office. They have gone to Congress to complain about a lack of resources, and they are hoping lawmakers step up to give them more support because it is about your safety. Josie Sturman, ABC 7 News.
Thanks, Josie.